wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best wide-angle phone lenses. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. It's unlikely to satisfy professional users, but this bullseye easy clip will have no problem helping to enhance your already carefully curated social media feed. The wide macro combo is small enough to keep in a purse or bag and attaches quickly to most major phones. The padded clamp won't damage your device, and it comes with a shooting guide ebook. However, both the lenses create distortion. At number 9, with its 110-degree field of view, the Techo Universal will let you literally broaden your horizons while snapping pics on your iPhone or Android device. Still, as with other offerings in this price range, it won't happen without some vignetting and ghosting. It comes with a universal 37mm thread clamp, but close-ups can be blurry, and it blocks your flash when it's attached. Coming in at number 8 on our list. The aikeglobal AK028-H features something called an aspherical lens, which is supposed to help minimize distortion and make possible more accurate color reproduction than normal models. And while that's true for the most part, it's not completely without flaws. It includes a lens hood and offers seamless changing from macro to wide modes. However, it doesn't fit securely on some phones. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for wide-angle phone lenses, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, even if all the components aren't of the absolute best quality, you'd be hard-pressed to find a better value than the Xenvo Kit Pro. For around the price of competing models, it comes with 2 lenses, a carrying case, and a rechargeable LED light for illuminating subjects. It also comes with a lanyard and boasts rectilinear correction. Nevertheless, it may suffer from vignetting. Moving up our list to number 6. Despite its relatively narrow field of view, just 100 degrees, the ketdirect 2-in-1 is still a great choice for amateur hobbyists looking to improve their smartphone photography. Views are fairly clear through its anti-glare glass, and it's pretty durable too. It's an aluminum construction that works with most phones and tablets. However, it is pricier than other budget picks. Halfway up our list at number 5. While most clip-on units tend to feel cheap and insubstantial, the BC Master LA582 boasts a rugged, solidly designed build, almost like an actual DSLR lens. It may be a little heavy for some people's liking, but many others will appreciate the larger size and added heft. It comes with a textured exterior surface and threads smoothly into a clip, but it may require a tripod for stabilization. At number 4, where other models force you to constantly realign and reposition, the olloclip active set securely covers both your device's front and rear cameras at the same time. That gives it lots of versatility, letting you snap dramatic landscapes as easily as group selfies. It offers an ultra-wide 155-degree field of view and stays firmly in place. This one's made specifically for iPhones. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, made with cinema-grade glass and capable of producing DSLR-quality pictures, the Moment New Wide is ideal for the hardcore photographers out there looking to take their art to a whole new level and still keep their gear lightweight and easy to carry. It works well for video recording and offers a high degree of distortion correction. Compatible cases are also available. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for wide-angle phone lenses, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, few units are capable of extending the power of your camera like the Aukey Aura, which includes both a wide-angle and macro lens for a variety of scenarios. Wherever you're using it, it's the optics that make this one stand out, offering crisp shots with minimal distortion. It boasts multi-element coated glass and is compatible with a 52mm filter. It's backed by a 2-year warranty. And coming in at number 1 on our list. Well designed and affordably priced, the Amir Professional should satisfy any photo junkie, but particularly those on a budget wanting to capture more of their subject. Its 0.45 times magnification gives you plenty of space to work with without compromising picture quality. This one minimizes lens flares and comes with an IPX6 waterproof membrane. It's lightweight and highly portable. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for wide-angle phone lenses, or simply click beneath this video.